Hi, this is Rachelle Scrapcraftastic, and I'm here to work in my Dollar Tree planner, which is a cover from Walmart Pen and Gear. The poof and the tassel are from Dollar Tree. I'll be doing the Scrapcraftastic weekly planner challenge. The prompt is Fictitious Escape. I'll be using some of this washi. All of these are from Simply Gilded. The heart washi is from Isis Ella Jewels, and I'll be using these digitals from CHELA Creates. I'll link to all of these shops in the description box below, and if I have a discount code, it will also be in the box below. But these are the digitals, 2 designs, and then I reduced the size a couple of times so that I could have different sizes. So that's what I'm using. Let's get into it. This is the actual planner that comes from Dollar Tree, and I'm using it as an insert. It is approximately B6 size, so it will work in a B6 traveler's notebook. This is not how the planners from Dollar Tree look when you get them. This is actually a monthly version, but this is what they actually look like. So if you're looking for them, they have these little flimsy vinyl covers on them, and they come in different colors like black, blue. I think there's a dark red. If you're looking for them, that's what they actually look like. I recovered mine, and I'll link to a video in iCard up above to show you how to cover a notebook. But that is why I have a different cover. Also, I am giving this planner away. I have multiple spreads in here. It is undated for the most part. To qualify for the giveaway, just leave a comment below. And then on each of the Dollar Tree videos, since we started this, I will randomly choose 2 people, and I announce those on the community tab as I go, and those names will go in the hat to qualify for the giveaway of the planner. So this is the last spread that I did in this planner as far as going through the year like you normally would, but I had stopped using this planner for a while, and so this is, I think, the last makeup spread that I did, or special spread. Yeah. So I'm just going to try and catch up all these weeks. That's kind of what we've been doing. I'll do a regular weekly spread and try to catch up with a previous week spread. So again, I'm doing the Scrapcraftastic weekly planner challenge. If you're interested in participating in the challenge, all the prompts are in the Scrapcraftastic Facebook group. It would be great if you join us over there. And the new prompts will be coming out soon, the prompts for 2022. Okay, I have pulled quite a bit of washi with really no rhyme or reason. The only one that I know for sure that I want to use is this teal colored one. And then I think I'm going to use this day of the week washi. And I'm not sure how I'm going to use these others, because for the header, my idea was to use some books. I printed multiples of these, or cut multiples of these. Oh, I thought they were all stuck together, but I guess they are not, because I'm thinking I can use this in the header. If I can get it off together. There we go. Let's see how it goes. So if I do that, that will work, but I do need to put something below. So what do I want to use? I really like this one. So let's try that at the base. Then use the books on top. I don't know what it is about the beginning pieces, but they seem not to have any stick to them. I guess maybe at one point it had unraveled. And I'm just trying to see which is the top, which is the bottom, or if it matters. It doesn't seem like it matters. So let's go with it like this. Okay, now let's try the books. So I'm just going to use the books kind of as my whiteout to cover the dates. And let me make sure I'm putting this the way that it's supposed to go. And then let's get one on the other side to cover where, come on, where the month is, or the monthlies. Okay, let's cut this apart. Okay, so there is that little sticker surgery. And I think I want to see if I can squeeze this on there. Okay, so that's cool. Now let's work on covering the gray areas. And that is what I wanted this for. So we are mixing metals, but I don't have a problem with that. It's okay by me. Okay, so I think for this particular weekend, I am going to leave it as it was intended to be as far as the layout of the page, because every week can't have fancy schmancy stuff. So again, this is Day of the Week washi from Simply Gilded. Let's work with what we got here first. And I'm going to just do it like the normal days. And place it like so. And if you had noticed, I don't think I mentioned it, that this washi tape, this Day of the Week washi tape is perforated. Ah, I didn't go all the way to the edge right there. Fiddlesticks. I'm gonna have to fix that. Oh, what was I doing? Okay, so kind of patch that up a little bit. This one is crooked. Trying to get it as neat as possible since I'm giving it away. So I do try to check and make sure things are straight as I can get them. Okay, that is that on that. Now I'm thinking I'm going to use her or her. I think I'm going to use her without the chair. So she's going to go right here. And I don't think that I need to split anything, so that kind of went like that. So I'm gonna do it like that, then get it into that crease really well so that I don't have to cut it, and then let her leg go on over to the other side of the page. I don't think that looks too ridiculous, so I'm gonna go with that. Then I need smaller ones. Ooh, these are bigger than I hoped. Let's use this. Here. That's coming up. Then my weekend is booked. It's bigger than I wanted it to be, but let's do that. So sometimes when I get clip art files, they aren't really set up to be stickers, and they'll have elements grouped together kind of like this, but there's nothing attaching them together, so I have to put an offset on, which is basically adding a stroke around that part of the graphic. Hopefully this is making sense. Anyway, so sometimes they're so far apart that I have to make a bigger offset or stroke to group those items together. For instance, if I had not put the stroke on this, the coffee would have been separate from the book and the glasses. The book and the glasses would have been one piece because they are connected, they touch each other, but the coffee wasn't touching either one. So I put an offset on, and it had to be thick enough to actually attach the cup to the book and the glasses. So that's why some of the stickers that I make from clip art have really thick offsets on them. If I want to keep those elements grouped together, that's how I have to do it. And then this set of books has like some sparkles on it. I don't know why, but I am going to use it right here. And I wanted to use some glasses, but all of them are so big. I thought I had some smaller elements, but I guess I don't. So let's see. I think I can put those there. So I have all of these CHELA plan books that I don't use. Yeah, it does have some teal looking colors in here. Let's see what we can get out of here, even though I think that's supposed to be green. Okay, so that, and I think a couple more might do it. Something smaller. Put this last little piece right here, and I think we are good. Okie dokie. I think that helped a lot. Gotta start using my CHELA plan stuff more. That is it. Let's pop this back in and see what we've got. Find the center and slide it on the elastic like so. And voila. All right, so that is it. That is the weekly setup for the Fictitious Escape prompt for the Scrapcraftastic Weekly Planner Challenge. I used digitals from CHELA Creates for the books, the stacks of books, and the doll. I used washi tapes from Simply Gilded, and I used florals from CHELA Plan. And I believe that's everything. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.